any market, there is always a dedicated wholesaler or distributor. Si Tatang dati, wholesaler, distributor yan. Si Andrew Tan, Lucio Co, they were traders, dealers, distributor. In the house of SICAT or the PSE, for each stock, especially the blue chips and the heavily traded issues, there is a dedicated capital market strategist. Anong tawag doon? Comprador yan. We call it a book builder. That person is a de facto central banker of a particular stock. He sees to it that the price of the stock doesn't go up as high as the price limit. Ano yung price limit? For each stock, it has a price limit or elasticity. From inception date to the time it matures, it has a 300, 500, that's how high it can go up. The lowest it can come down, or what we term as an upward correction, is negative 30, negative 50, to as low as negative 80%. That is the pain and suffering you have to tolerate if you want to make 1,000, 5,000, 10,000%. Just like ICT, you know, who knows what ICT is? Bigyan mo ng price to. It was at 70 centavos during the time of GMA. It went to as high as 115 pesos. So if you can compute how much of the capital gain or price appreciation, that's how much we should make for the next presidency when it's third. And what causes this? What causes a business or the price of a stock to go as high as 1,000%? Very simple lang yan. One, it's the CEO. He should be young, ambitious, and well-funded by his banker. Who is the banker of Don Enrique Razon?